Hello, here's a video of this Okuma Captain-L470M. Very well for us. So right now we'll do the spindle. This is going to be 500 RPM, and then I'll step it up to 1,000, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Nice and quiet. So we can travel the there's Z, there's X, there's Z again, there's X. This is the VDI tooling, and this is also live tooling as well. Try to see if you can see in there. There's a live tooling drive dogs. I'm about to start it. Here we go. It's engaged and going. See the tool changers. Spins around nice. Everything operates good.